Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the watch has power and your phone is ready. First, charge the Keqiwear to about 50% so pairing won't fail. Next, install the Keqiwear app and enable Bluetooth and location permissions. The app needs both to discover devices. Once done, create or sign into your account, open the app's pair screen, and tap the watch model shown. Confirm the numeric code on the watch display. That establishes a secure connection and moves you to initial sync. Now you'll configure the watch so it works with your routines. Start by accepting any firmware update, keeping firmware current fixes bugs and improves sensors. Then grant notification, call, and contact permissions in the app so alerts appear on your wrist. After permissions, customize the watch face and arrange widgets for steps, heart rate, and sleep. This reduces navigation. Make sure Do Not Disturb and time format match your preferences. These steps bring the watch from paired to personally useful. Finish by syncing and safeguarding your data so progress isn't lost. Perform an immediate sync after the first workout and then set auto sync in the app. That sends steps, heart rate, and sleep to the cloud. Turn on cloud backup and export critical health data before major firmware updates. If things go wrong, try the most reliable fix. Reboot both devices, turn Bluetooth off and on, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache, then repair. That resolves most connection and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.